How do I enable or disable the frost protection feature on the Honeywell DT90E Thermostat?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of enabling or disabling the frost protection feature on your Honeywell DT90E Thermostat. This is a handy feature to know about, especially during colder months, and we're here to guide you step by step. Remember, safety first when dealing with any electronic devices.
What is the frost protection feature?
The frost protection feature in many thermostats, including the Honeywell DT90E, is designed to prevent pipes and other crucial parts of your heating system from freezing when the temperature drops significantly. When activated, the thermostat will ensure that the temperature does not drop below a certain point, usually around 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit, thus preventing potential damage.
Enabling the frost protection.
To enable the frost protection feature on your Honeywell DT90E thermostat, follow these steps. 1. Ensure the thermostat is on. You'll see the display illuminated. 2. Press and hold the two arrow buttons, up and down, simultaneously for a few seconds. 3. You will notice a snowflake symbol appearing on the display. This indicates that the frost protection mode is now activated.
Disabling the frost protection.
If you wish to turn off the frost protection feature, 1. Again, ensure the thermostat is on. 2. Press and hold the two arrow buttons, up and down, simultaneously until the snowflake symbol disappears from the display. This means the frost protection mode is now deactivated. That's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable the frost protection feature on your Honeywell DT90E thermostat. Remember, this feature can be a real lifesaver in colder climates, preventing potential damage to your heating system. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay warm and take care.